We are outside again. Yes, guys, family, big up everyone that's already always in the building. Big up all the ones that like. Big up all the ones that drop a comments. I see you. I see the regulars. We love that. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. And yeah, we're trying to get up to 500 subscribers out here. But yeah, today I'm just having a little ride, enjoying the scenery, a little bit of throttle therapy out here, the A446. I don't know, man. You know, people who don't like bikes or are scared of bikes, but they can ride a push bike and they drive cars. Mate, you see you folk there, yeah? One day, just go and do your CBT. Get trained properly and have a, you know what I mean? Have a go, man. I guarantee you, it will shift your whole paradigm when it comes to biking, trust me. Shift your whole dance. I used to think certain type of way. Am I coming the wrong way? Oh, I'm coming the wrong way, man. How am I going to turn around now? Ah, yeah. But yeah, have a go on one, guys, but on the proper intuition, on the proper instruction and stuff. It'll change your whole paradigm when it comes to biking. Oh, the Belfry. I hear about this place all the while, you know. Right. Let me turn myself around. Right, you know what? I've never been up here, you know. And I used to hear about this, the Belfry. Nice. Let's turn myself around. Oh, you can play golf. Mad. See these places, yeah, I couldn't imagine that back in the day. A pure, rich aristocracy type people. You get me? See my man on that bike there, he's just chilling. Nice and upright, no back pains. Get me, it's good. The only thing with something like that, you know, with all the panniers on the side, when it comes to filtering, man, it could be a long day for you, mate. You might have to sit with all the cars. You see, when the sun's shining towards me, it's mad, and I am using the strongest ND filter, so ND32. So I'm hoping that it's shading as much light off as it should, as it can. How can you not love bikes, man? I mean, you might have to be people will say that you're a madman for even entertaining one, but they just don't understand. They won't understand, man. just get up in the morning and I'm like, I'm just going to ride, that's it. No gimmicks. We're just outside. Okay? But what I want to know, someone can fill me in. Can you fill me in? Where are all the nice twisty roads in the Midlands? You know them nice country lanes and that? Because I'm trying to find them and I'm a little bit unsuccessful with it. You know what I'm saying? I went over by Kidderminster the other day. Wasn't bad roads up there, to be fair. I think maybe I should have went further up. See, if you keep following this road, you will end up at Drayton Manor. Another place I used to go all the while. Staffordshire. All this greenery, farmland. Where's all the veg, man? I can't see anything. And you know what? It looks really warm out here, but maybe because it's early. But I'm kind of cold. Can't lie, man. I'm cold. Drayton Manor's 300 yards, so anyone that's a thrill seeker apart from a bike. And you know what's funny? I don't really like the rides thing at Drayton Manor anymore. And people are saying, mate, you ride a bike? I'm like, well, I don't know, you know, I'm in control of the bike still. So Drayton Manor is that away. Yeah, I'm in control of the bike. But I've got a little bit better because last time I went to Drayton Manor, yeah, I went on all the rides, including the, what's it called? The Maelstrom, whatever you call it. But you see that one there? That's what I'm not going back on again in life. Not going back on that. Because I went on that for the first and the last time, Richard. And you know, like, you know when you want to get off the ride, yeah? But the ride feels like it's going on for about an hour. When really it's only been going on for about 3 minutes. I'm like, yo. won't be doing that again, mate. I thought I was gonna fly out the thing, man. I'm telling you. I remember the first and the last time I went on the is it the Apocalypse in Drayton, man, or that? It goes straight up and it just drops down. No, sir. You know? Never again, mate. Never again. Doing that shit, man. You think I'm an idiot? How about you guys, man? How do you feel about doing rides at the theme park? Is your adrenaline junkieism that deep? Yeah, cause for me, I'm not on it, man. I'm not on it. But yeah, I thought I'd just come and look over here. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm out.